Hey Katie, it's Zach from Toyota. This is the new 2022 Highlander XLE all-wheel drive that we just got in. Quick walk around on it. It is in the pearl white color exterior. It does come with 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, powered moonroof, Softex leather interior with a powered driver and passenger seat. And being the XLE model, it does come equipped with an 8-passenger occupancy. You have your second and third row bench seats available with this guy. Also does come with a power lift gate. And as you can see, my manager did install the cargo liner. Does have the optional ability if you did want to get roof racks installed on there as well. And being a 2022, this is the last year for this model to come equipped with the 3.5 liter V6 engine. Among those features on there, it does also come equipped with the heated steering wheel, as well as a number of driving modes, including Sport and Eco, Mud and Sand, and Rock and Dirt, and then additional snow mode and downhill assist control. Beautiful 8-inch touchscreen display, complete with rear view camera. And then we have all our climate controls with heated front seats, and does come equipped with Sirius satellite radio. Big selling feature on this guy is the current mileage. It is currently sitting at just over 21,000, and we will be listing this guy for 45,000 plus the taxes. Financing is available on this guy from a number of banks that we use as well. And again, if you did want to contact me and schedule an appointment for tomorrow, number is 905-329-3249. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.